Hey Tech Motors family, this is the 1997 Mitsubishi Challenger. It comes with 81,620 original miles. It is powered by the reliable 6G72 3.0 liter 6-cylinder gasoline engine with an automatic transmission. It is 4-wheel drive. It is a factory right-hand drive. It comes with 4 doors and a rear hatch as well. Let's go ahead and take a look at the interior of the vehicle. As y'all can see, the lights do come on, so you know we have not punched them out. Alright, so the number that you're looking at down at the bottom, 131,353, that is the kilometers. The miles again is 81,620. We are going to go ahead and take a look at the frame of the vehicle. We'll go ahead and start with the driver's side. Hey Tech Motors family, thanks for tuning in. If you are looking for the best factory right-hand drive postal vehicles across the USA, you are in the right place. Drive into savings with Tech Motors LLC, your ultimate destination for reliable factory right-hand drive postal vehicles. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on your notifications so you never miss out on our latest videos and deals. Let's keep driving together. Also, for more information and pictures, please visit our website at techmotorspostalcars.com, or you can contact us at 423-716-2161. We would be happy to answer any questions that y'all may have. I do want to tell you guys, thank you so much for the continual support. We really truly appreciate each and every one of y'all, and it does mean the world to us. I do pray that y'all have a blessed and safe day as well.